Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm back again. This is Chucky Monster with Chucky Monster's Garage. Well, I am back again. We did a kit review yesterday. I put a kit review of the 68 Chevelle SS 396, the special limited edition Chevelle. And now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do the 69. I've had this for a little while. I want to do the 69 kit review, and the reason why I want to do this kit review is because I just purchased the 69 Chevelle SS 396, another EMT, which is this one pretty much. I would assume it's this one, just a hardtop version of it. So, and this one just came out, so I'm going to do a kit review on this one right now. And when this video is over, I will do a kit review on the 69 hardtop. I think the video is shaking, I'm sorry. So let's get started. I think I have this one all ready to go, so. Okay. So we got the chassis. Let's see if all the, oh, there it is. So we're gonna have to do a little work there, and man, I hate doing that because it always, I said it before and it bleeds back through. Here's something I don't like. The drive shaft molded in here like this. You know, I mean, I don't understand that. So, oh, there's another trademark here. Well, this kit's good. So far, I guess it's okay, but it's not what I would desire. I can probably do something with the drive shaft, I guess. I've heard really bad things about this kit. If anybody else knows anything about this kit, let me know, because I'm actually considering building all three of these next kits at the same time. Not next, because I have something else on the agenda, and we'll get to that after these kit reviews. Yeah, so far I can live with this. Sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed, so kind of bear with me here. So here's the body, and don't really look warped per se. Trying to see what that's like there. Here, getting it on camera. Don't look too bad. I think the body might be a little bit. Always check these convertibles out, because every time you get a convertible, it's twisted or appears not right. But this one doesn't look too bad. I don't know what the major issue was with this kit. I thought I heard somebody say something about this, but it doesn't look wrong to me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong about something, but it just doesn't. So far, it don't look wrong. I'm trying to see if there's a lot of mold lines on here. A little cleaning up here. I don't think it's too bad. I don't think it's too bad. So there's some tires. I think it gives you that's the rubber tires. It's got stock sizes in here. Okay. Goodyear polyglass tires. They're nice tires. Pretty nice. here's the glass. Of course, we pretty much just have this, and that's it on this one. There's some headlights, it looks like, and looks like maybe tail lights or something. Oh, there's your tail lights. There you go. I like them. They're in red. That's kind of cool. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what the chrome's like here. Chrome don't look half bad. Yeah. Chrome don't look really too shabby. Looks like you can do like Kilborn injection or something on there. Which I don't think I'm gonna do that, but not in a convertible anyway. Alright, well, is that like a custom grill or something? I guess we'll find out, huh? Okay. With the hood. I should cut this open real quick, huh? Let's do that. I should have pre-cut it before I even did the video, so let me set the phone down just a sec. I'll lean it right here. And I'll go ahead and cut this real quick. Might as well cut the other one too over here, huh? Alright guys, here we are. Here's the interior bucket, which isn't too bad. It's one piece. I can do something with this too. I ain't too worried about this stuff because I always flock my carpet in there. Let me see here. Here's the boot or whatever for the convertible. Okay, there's the engine. Which, I mean, we all know that we don't have to use all this stuff. I mean, there's so much aftermarket stuff that's available out there that we can, for something like this, you can almost do anything with it. But again, it's a convertible, so I don't like to do this crazy blown motor in a convertible. I just don't. That's what a hardtop's for. So I like the fact that the exhausts are separate, but what I don't like is that it's molded into the rear end. So that is a downfall right there. So, but there you go, there's the firewall. What else we got here? There's a hood scoop if you want to do something crazy, which I'm not going to do nothing. I don't even like the way that hood scoop looks. And again, like I said before, it's going to be original, seeing that it's a convertible. So there you go. This is the only thing I don't like about it. A lot to be had there, huh? So I don't like the headers. I'd probably make my own. that's it, guys. Pretty much wheelie bars. That's pretty funny, but okay, well that's it. That's the kit, guys. Not really impressed, but I you know, I can do something with it. Here's some decals. This video is going on 10 minutes, so I'll show you what the decals look like. There's no SS badging in here, which, you know, you'd have to do something to the body or buy a detail kit. Not too bad. Alright guys, well, that's it for the 69 Chevelle SS convertible 396, and I'll see you in the next vid. Look at this mess. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Bye.